Friends, if you want to really be rich not just by the conventional yardstick of money in the bank, cars and bungalows, but even internal happiness, one of the fundamental principles that you have to adopt is to ensure that you do not try to be someone else. God has given you very specific innate capabilities. Someone has got a real flair for numbers, someone has got a real flair for content writing, someone has got an exceptional capabilities in terms of photography, or someone has got really that knack for coding, making computer games. Now if you really want to become rich, let's say even by the conventional yardstick of money in the bank, you will have to do that thing where your brain is naturally wired to excel. Cannot become someone else because your cousin has earned a 6-figure salary by let's say working as a probationary officer in a bank. You cannot try to emulate that path. Your destiny is your destiny, his destiny is his destiny. So the whole idea around here is that do not try to be someone else when it comes to choosing your career path. It is very important for you to figure out what is it that you're really good at, what is it that you will love doing 16 hours a day even if you're not adequately paid, what is it that you will do in spite of unfavorable conditions. So for example, in some cases I can say that I love writing. So in that case, even if the conditions are not conducive, no, I'm not earning enough money, maybe I'm not getting enough recognition, but I still continue to write because writing as an activity itself gives me so much happiness that external validation notwithstanding, I continue to do it. Na? So for example, there are specific music genres that each of us really love. It is not that you decide to start loving a particular genre. Somehow your brain, your subconscious mind is naturally geared towards that particular genre. So you will have to figure out what is that particular genre, and if you do that, maybe photography or writing or numbers, any such skill nowadays, every skill can be monetized. So you can think about it that even you can stay at home, do writing for various websites. So every website now for search engine optimization on Google needs a lot of content, fresh content that needs to be created and posted on the blog, so that when the Google search engine, the algorithms, the bots go to their website, they see a lot of recent content and they see that this is relevant for the users. So writing that content gives you like 60-70 paisa, 1 rupee per word, and that can be done from the very comforts of your home. For that, you really need to be passionate about writing. This is just one example. If you are good in photography, you can click photographs today, and there are websites online where you can sell these photographs. There is, for example, if you're good at visual arts, you can do a lot of video editing work and you get like 2000 rupees for editing a particular video. There is so much that can be done today for people who can really capitalize on their innate strengths. Today, staying at home, you can do accounting for, let's say, a client in US or UK and earn a lot of money. If money be that yardstick of success. If you want to really love teaching, today from your very home, you can teach students online, the whole world you can teach on Zoom. If you want to become a psychologist and do therapy sessions for people who are suffering from anxiety, today from your very comforts of your home, you can give counseling to someone in, let's say, Dubai or New York. The world of opportunities in this digital world are immense, and therefore you will not really necessarily be constrained by those. Maybe 10-15 years ago it was there, okay, this particular field does not have a demand, this particular field does not have a demand, the demand is not so good. Today there is enough demand for everything. The most important thing is to figure out what you are really good at. If you are really good at that thing, money, fame, passion, success, everything follows. Everything continues to follow. If you continue to make, let's say, good videos, you will become a good successful YouTuber. Brands are going to come to you for endorsements. If you really love blogging, so today through blogging, Google AdSense pays you, then you can do affiliate marketing, create Amazon links with your code. If people buy through that link, you get a referral bonus. There'll be brands which are going to come to you for endorsement. So much excitement is there in this world around us today that the most important thing for us to figure out what really good at. Okay. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye-bye.